Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and yes, I got it. Now I feel like an idiot. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so the iPhone XR is finally in the building. Now if you guys saw my video, I know you guys probably saw the old video where I chose the XS Max over the iPhone XR, but after a few devices with the XS Max, I come to the conclusion that it's kind of big for nothing, even though it's a great phone. And I kind of felt like I needed to try the XR before I finally made that decision of actually keeping the XS Max, because I kind of feel a little bit like I need to try this phone. So I did get in the product red because I've been talking about the product red for a long time, and the first thing I see in the box is those big fat bezels. So let's see exactly what it looks like. You guys already saw the unboxing of this. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it, but I did chose the 64 gig model, and the reason why I did this is because I was really waiting for Black Friday and for Cyber Monday, so I actually got $300 off on this on bill credit. So I'm usually an iPhone guy, so I always have an iPhone line, so I traded in a Note 5 and I got $300 off this, and it took another $100 off the new Apple Watch that I got because I did get another Apple Watch. Long story, I'll probably talk about that in the next video. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Okay, designed in Apple, California, you know, the regular. And there's the phone. Now, if you guys didn't notice, I did make case videos of the iPhone XR, but that was with a had a dummy unit. But on the inside, you do get a product red sticker that shows that some of the proceeds goes to AIDS program and research. You got hello. You do got a SIM ejection tool in this, and you do get your Apple sticker. So whatever. So let's just pop this baby out. See what it looks like. Okay, now I did see this in Best Buy the first day it came out because I really wanted to see it in person. In pictures, it doesn't justify how beautiful this red really is. I think if they would have came out with a red XS Max, I probably wouldn't have any type of second guesses. But if anybody knows me, I'm in love with this product red color. Like, oh man, just taking it off is, oh man, that's insane. So I'm gonna put that to the side right over here. Let's see what's in the box. So you got your typical stuff. You have your lightning headphones and your lightning cable with your slow charging brick. That's for 1 amp, and you guys are able to charge fast if you buy another charging brick, but you guys already know the story with that. And it can actually kill your battery though, so definitely be careful with that. That's what I've been reading and hearing about. But the XS Max is a great phone, and I do have so many cases for it, but I definitely have to try the XR. Now, just a little bit of a history lesson for you. I've had every single iPhone on launch day since the 4S. So I've been doing this for a while. I just actually picked up the SE. I'm not sure if I made a video on that, but now I've had every single iPhone since the 4. I mean, I had the 3GS as well, but now the XR is finally complete, and this is just a beautiful, beautiful phone. I did choose for the 64 gig model. I know it was only like a $50 difference, but I'm not gonna fill this up because I do carry multiple phones with me. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the iPhone XR, let me know down in the comments below. I know you guys want to see and hear my opinion about everything. So we'll definitely get to it. Now it's time to install and temper glass. So if you guys want to see more videos of the iPhone XR, let me know down in the comments below, because I will have a couple of videos, not too much, but just enough so I could get some coverage of this device and we get some views in. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the iPhone XR, I don't know if I said XS Max, let me know down in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. So let's just start it up before we go. There we go. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.